Hey, to split the screen on the Realme C67, first of all, you will have to open these two apps that you are want to use. And if you are using the three buttons navigations, all you have to do is just to click on this icon. But if you are using gestures, you will have to swipe and hold like this. Now when you are here, let's click on the three dots above your application and tap to split screen. And now you can actually select second application. So let's say that I want to use the YouTube application. Okay, in my case, it's some kind of the issue, so let's try to do this one more time. Now select the second application, and as you can see, right now it's still not working properly, so keep trying. And there we go, right now it works without any issues. So now when I'm gonna move these dots to the up or down, as you can see, I can resize these windows. So if I want to get YouTube bigger, I can easily do this. If I want to close the split screen mode, I have to swipe like this. And now I can close it. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.